Hey guys, welcome back to Restoration Rescue. Just a quick reminder before you start this video, we post every Saturday around 2 o'clock, so make sure that 1, you're subscribed, 2, you like the videos, and make sure you're here every Saturday to join us in this journey. And in today's video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue sandblasting the frame, so let's get to it. All right guys, so last time we did sandblasting, we ran into a little issue, so we had to go return the sandblaster that we had and pick up a brand new one. So this one does have a little bit of a different nozzle on it. I've used it a little bit just to clear off what we did from last week, but I do like this one a lot better. It doesn't get jammed up. The tip is also a little bit bigger, the one that we put in it, rather than the other one. So it hasn't got clogged yet in what we've been doing. So we're gonna do the rest of the frame today, hopefully, if we have enough time, and start rattle canning it. So make sure you guys stick around. All right, so we ran out of the coal in the Sandblaster, so we got to fill it up. So we got 7 more bags in the shed to go. But when you do this, just make sure that you shut off the air and you drain the tank first, because if you don't, this thing right here will shoot up and probably take your eye out and could kill you. So yeah, just a warning. The only reason I know that is because earlier I didn't drain it all the way and it did shoot up. It didn't catch me though, thank God. But we're gonna fill this one back up with maybe 2 bags this time and get back to sandblasting. All right guys, so we're out again. One thing that we've noticed is we have to shake it a little bit, and I think that's because we have some water in our air still. We don't have the best filtration setup coming off of the air compressor, and then you get water through here as well. We have a little bit over there, but not the best. That's one thing that I would recommend to do it, because dry air makes a lot better for a lot like painting and stuff like this. So we got one pretty much whole side done. So we're gonna flip over to the other side once we get this thing refilled and try and knock out that whole side today. All right guys, so that's gonna close it out for today. We got most of the frame done on the outside. We still have the inside and the cross members really to do, and of course the underneath that's currently on the jack stands. One thing I wanted to talk about and address from the last videos is about the motor. The reason we're doing the 305 is, one, we have never built a motor at all, so if we blow it up and screw it up, it's not the end of the world, because the 305 is not that expensive of a motor. One, it also came with the car that we have, not that it's an original motor or anything like that, but it's something that we just thought would be an easy thing, a budget because we are on a budget. We're not millionaires out here, because if we were, we'd probably be doing this. But so that's going to wrap it up for this week. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you next Saturday.